Bonjour mes étudiantes et mes amis. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre la différence entre faire de la natation, nager et se baigner. Ce sont les expressions qui sont très proches, which are very close. Mais elles ne veulent pas dire la même chose, but they don't tell the same thing. Ok, c'est parti. La première chose, faire de la natation. Faire de la natation, on va utiliser pour dire les sports. Okay? So, related to activity, sports. Okay? Now, let's see. Faire is a verb. Faire. The conjugation of faire you already know. If not, then you can watch our videos in which I have already told you. Je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, elles font. Okay, we will conjugate this verb according to my subject. Okay, so faire de la natation, whenever you want to use, it is in the sense of activity as a sport activity. So it will be je fais de la natation 3 fois par semaine. So je fais de la natation. So I do swimming 3 fois, 3 times par semaine in a week. Second example, ma sœur aime. Now here another verb is there, so I am not conjugate. This expression will be used as it is because here the principal verb is aim. Now, ma sœur aime faire de la natation à la piscine. So my sister like to do swimming in the piscine. Piscine c'est the swimming pool. Okay? So faire de la natation vous utilisez comme le sport. Okay? The next one is nager. Okay, this is your noun phrase. Okay, now it's a noun. Okay, next verb, it is a verb. Now, nager means to swim. Okay, use as a verb. Now see example how to use it. Je sais nager. Je sais nager. I know swimming. So, je sais nager. It also means like I know how to swim. Okay, je sais nager. Or, les garçons nagent dans la mer. So, the boys swim or are swimming in the mer. Mer is like your ocean. So, les garçons nagent dans la mer. C'est clair? Faire de la natation est deuxième chose, le verbe that is nager. Okay? The third one is se baigner. Se baigner. Now, this is the verb, but which verb it is? It is known as a reflexive verb, students. What is reflexive verb? Here, there are double pronoun. The action is reflexive. Okay? So, reflexive verb. Now, let's see. So, baigner, it also means to swim. Okay? Now, in the first category, swim as a sport, it is to swim as a verb. Now, se baigner means also swim, but in the form of relaxation. So, you are very much tired, you want to relax, you can use se baigner. So, when you are using swimming activity as a relaxation. Okay? Now, see. On va se baigner dans le lac. So, on va means we are going to like se baigner to swim as a relaxed activity dans le lac. Lac is lake. J'aime me baigner. So, j'aime me baigner. So, I like to do swimming. Okay, as a you can say leisure time activity, relaxed activity dans le lac. Okay, say. So this is the difference between faire de la natation, nager et se baigner. Now tell me, you do these activities in what sense? Au revoir, à bientôt.